The purpose of this session is to discuss the rework functionality added to Vicinity 2.10. For years we've been able to consume a raw material item that you produced on a previous batch. That's never been a problem. The challenge that we have is that if I take that same raw material, if I take that same product that I produced and put it back into the same formula that produced it, that generates a circular reference for MRP purposes. And it especially if we ever get to a situation where the system thinks you need to make rework, it keeps calling itself and getting to the circular reference. So the change that we made in 2.10 is we added a field called rework to the formula procedure and the formula fill procedure tabs of the formula entry screen, giving the ability to mark a specific line as being rework. In this case, what I've done is I've created an operation called consume rework, and I've added one ingredient here, which is bulk product that I might make in a previous batch on the same formula. I might have made this bulk. And now what I'm doing is telling the system that I might consume some of this rework. Now there are some industries in which you know that you're going to consume a certain amount of rework, and therefore the consumption of rework becomes a standard part of the batch ticket. That is what was causing the problem with MRP. So by telling the system that I'm going to consume a certain amount of rework as a standard process, I would just check the rework box and that would solve the MRP issue. Now this box actually makes its way to the batch ticket as well. So if I make a batch ticket for the same formula, and I go to my procedure tab and go all the way down to the bottom, I see this this bulk item, and then I can also see this rework. So I can either assign the rework at the formula level, or if on an ad hoc basis, if I would just want to add rework and I'm getting the MRP recursion error or the circular reference error, I can simply mark it as rework to tell MRP don't drill down through this item to figure out how to make it. Anyway, that's it, and let us know how it helps.